Did you know penguins have a fun side? Let's waddle through some amazing facts. Penguins can't fly, but they soar through the water like little torpedoes. They can swim up to 22 miles per hour. And get this, many penguins mate for life. Talk about relationship goals, right? Oh, and the emperor penguin? They endure the freezing Antarctic winter to incubate their eggs. Now that's dedication. Plus, did you know there are 18 different species of penguins? From the tiny little blue penguin to the majestic king penguin. Penguins are not just black and white, they're full of surprises. So which penguin fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.